So today, I will show you how to turn up brightness on Dead by Daylight. First, from the main menu, go to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Options. This will open the Settings menu. Next, go to the Graphics option. Inside the Graphics settings, look for the Gamma setting. This controls the brightness of the game. Click on the gamma slider and adjust it to your liking until the screen looks comfortable for you. If you want to reset the brightness, you can click the default button to return the gamma setting to its original value. Once you're satisfied with the brightness level, click OK to apply the changes. And that's it. That's how you turn up brightness on Dead by Daylight.